Welcome to Ralph Lauren's state-of-the-art recycling factory, where old clothes get a second life. Step inside and see how used apparel is transformed into brand new fashion.
It all starts with bags of donated and collected clothing from across the country.
Every item is carefully sorted to ensure the best recycling results.
High-tech scanners identify fabric types for precise processing.
The first step is shredding the clothes into tiny pieces.
Powerful vacuums keep the air clean as fabric is shredded.
The fabric strips are washed to remove dirt, dyes, and residues. Only safe, sustainable detergents are used in the cleaning process. The fabric is dried quickly to prepare for the next step.
Every batch is checked for perfect dryness before moving on.
Fabrics are blended to create new textures and colors. Each blend is carefully programmed for quality and style.
Carding aligns the fibers, making them ready for spinning.
These slivers are the building blocks of new yarn.
High-speed spinners turn recycled fibers into brand new yarn. Every strand is checked for quality and durability.
Recycled yarn is dyed in vibrant, sustainable colors.
Technicians ensure every color is rich and even.
The yarn is gently dried to preserve its softness.
Yarn is wound onto spools, ready for weaving or knitting.
Each panel is unique, thanks to the recycled blend.
Automated cutters shape the fabric for new garments.
Quality control checks every piece before assembly.
Sewing teams assemble the pieces into new clothes.
Robots help add the finishing touches to every item.
Each piece is pressed to look its best. Every garment gets a new label and care instructions.
Final inspections ensure every item meets Ralph Lauren's high standards. Every piece is tracked from the factory to the store.
Finished clothes are packed in eco-friendly packaging.
Each box is sealed and labeled for delivery.
Forklifts move the clothes to waiting trucks for delivery. Recycled clothes travel from the factory to homes across the country.
Soon, these clothes will be ready for shoppers everywhere.
Shoppers can choose sustainable fashion with confidence.
Every tag tells the story of a garment made from old clothes.
Recycled doesn't mean rough. These fabrics are soft and stylish.
Recycled fashion fits every style and every generation. Every sale supports a more sustainable future. Shoppers leave with new clothes and a clear conscience. Look for the symbol to know your clothes are made sustainably. The cycle continues. Bring back your old clothes for recycling.
Ralph Lauren educates shoppers about the benefits of recycling.
Recycling clothes saves water, energy, and reduces waste. The factory tracks every step to improve sustainability.
Teams work together to solve problems and keep production on track.
Research teams are always working on the next breakthrough.
Innovation drives the future of sustainable fashion.
Advanced technology keeps the factory efficient and green.
The factory uses renewable energy to reduce its carbon footprint. Water is recycled and reused to save resources. Clean air and a safe environment are top priorities.
Every step is double-checked for safety and quality.
Even the smallest scraps are recycled into new products.
Nothing goes to waste in this factory.
Teamwork and technology make it all possible.
Ralph Lauren's recycled fashion reaches customers around the globe.
The factory is recognized for its leadership in sustainable fashion. The world is taking notice of this innovative approach.
Shoppers share their sustainable style online.
The next generation is inspired to make a difference.
The next generation is inspired to make a difference.
Community support helps keep the cycle going.
Every donation helps create new fashion from old.
Every item is tracked from donation to new garment. Trucks bring used clothes from the community to the factory.
Engineers keep the machines running at peak efficiency.
New blends are created and tested right in the factory.
Skilled technicians keep the machines running smoothly.
Machines are cleaned and sanitized between every batch. Even packaging is recycled to reduce waste. Every part of the process is designed to be sustainable.
The factory tracks its progress toward a greener future.
Teams set new targets to keep improving every year. Ongoing training keeps everyone up to date. Ongoing training keeps everyone up to date.
Every step is double-checked for safety and quality.
Final checks ensure every item meets Ralph Lauren's standards.
The last trucks are loaded for delivery across the country. The last trucks are loaded for delivery across the country.
Security checks help keep every shipment safe.
Ralph Lauren's recycled fashion is on its way to new homes.
Ralph Lauren's recycled fashion is on its way to new homes.
The factory winds down, ready to start again tomorrow.
From old clothes to new fashion, it's an amazing journey.
Thanks for joining us inside Ralph Lauren's recycling factory. See you on the next tour.
Every label tells the story of a more sustainable world.
The next generation is learning to create fashion with less waste.
The next generation is learning to create fashion with less waste.
Education is key to building a greener future.
Education is key to building a greener future.
Everyone can help reduce waste and support sustainable fashion.
Everyone can help reduce waste and support sustainable fashion.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more factory tours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more factory tours.